Alright, picture this. You're holding two iPad minis side by side, the brand new 2024 model and the 2021 version. Quick guess, which one's which? Not so easy, right? That's because Apple's latest iPad mini looks almost identical to its predecessor. So what's new this time? And is it enough to make you want one? Buckle up as we dive into this new but familiar iPad mini journey. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For introducing the Enquiries X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Enquiries. Charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at cookshou.co. Let's back to our video. Let's talk about the standout features Apple did sneak into this iPad mini. Spoiler alert, it might look like the same old tablet, but it packs a few tricks that could surprise you. First off, let's address the size. Apple nailed it with this form factor back in 2021, and they didn't mess with the winning formula. This thing is cozy to hold on the couch, perfect for reading comics, and it's even small enough to toss in a bag without a second thought. If portability is your vibe, the iPad minis still got that locked down. This year, they threw in some slightly updated colors, a shade of blue and purple that matches the 2024 iPad Air. My review unit in blue. I mean, it's nice, but subtle enough to look almost silver. Definitely no bold, bright colors like the 10th Gen iPad. Let me know in the comments. Bold colors, yay or nay? If you're here for more tech breakdowns like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on looks and deep dives. Alright, let's get back to what makes the 2024 mini actually exciting. Now, this iPad mini rocks the same display as the last model, an 8.3-inch liquid retina that makes my digital comics pop with color. And sure, a 120 Hz refresh rate would be a dream, but let's be real. If I'm lost in a Marvel Snap game or binging Netflix, it's not a deal breaker, but wait, here's where things get interesting. With the 2024 model, you get the A17 Pro chip, the very one powering last year's iPhone 15 Pro. Translation, serious power. You can play big games like Resident Evil 4 right here on this tiny tablet. And yes, folks, I synced my Xbox controller and got right into the action. Sure, there was a bit of pixelation, but still, it's pretty awesome seeing console quality games on something this portable. Now, while the iPad mini does its thing with speed and reliability, those of you with heavy-duty creative tasks might want to look at an iPad Air or Pro. On benchmarks, the mini is fast, but it's no multitasking powerhouse. Battery-wise, though, the mini performs like a champ. It lasted around 11 hours and 30 minutes in video playback tests, which is solid for a tablet this size. You can stream, read, or binge all day without stressing over the next recharge. Artists and note takers, here's where you get an upgrade. The Mini finally supports Apple Pencil Pro, giving you squeeze controls, haptics, and even Find My compatibility. I'm no Picasso, but it felt pretty cool to use. Switching tools with a quick squeeze or rolling to spread paint around the canvas. But we can't talk about this new iPad mini without touching on Apple Intelligence, Apple's latest suite of AI features. So far, it's a bit hit or miss. Sure, it's neat being able to talk to Siri more naturally or ask it to summarize long email chains, but is it essential? Probably depends on how much you'd actually use it. Apple's going all in on this, though, so I'll be exploring more as they roll out updates. All right, so bottom line, if you're holding on to a 5th Gen Mini or older, this upgrade feels fresh and powerful. It's perfect for casual gamers, readers, and those of us who just want an easy, portable tablet that packs a punch. For 6th Gen owners, though, you might want to hold off unless you're itching for those new gaming capabilities or just have to have the latest tech. Would you splurge on the new iPad mini for the gaming, the pencil support, or maybe just that killer size? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this hands-on review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real-world tech breakdown. Catch you in the next one. Until then, happy tablet shopping. Peace!